Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what Unity needs: the new model, textures, and an animator controller that matches your animation rig. Once done, make a quick backup of the current scene and the player prefab so you can revert. Now open the target scene and select the player object in the hierarchy. Inspect its transform, animator, and any custom scripts. You will replace the mesh while keeping component references intact, so note component names and slots before you change anything. You import the new model and immediately set the rig type to humanoid or generic depending on your setup. Then generate or assign the avatar so Unity can retarget animations. Next, keep the existing animator controller on the player and retarget its state machine to the new avatar. Once retargeting works, swap the mesh renderer or skinned mesh renderer on the player prefab. Remove the old mesh, add the new mesh or skinned mesh renderer, and connect bones to the existing armature, so animation. You finish by entering play mode and testing every animation, checking root motion, inverse kinematics, colliders, and hitboxes. Make sure the new mesh aligns with existing colliders and scripts. If poses look off, tweak import scale, avatar mapping, or reconfigure muscle ranges in the avatar. Finally, if things break, revert to your backup, then work stepwise. First, ensure the avatar retargets, then swap the mesh. Then reapply colliders and scripts. This isolates the cause and speeds up troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.